So we're very excited. We've got a very new, cool Zeebox release. And I think Zeebox in the past has been a combination of two things. It's been a program guide, a personal, increasingly personalized guide, which now you can series book shows. It gives you personal recommendations based on shows you've watched. It's instead of wading through hundreds of channels, you get a My TV page that shows you a personalized set of things just for you. And it remote controls your TV and using automated content recognition, in other words, listening of a microphone, it can synchronize to the TV show that you're watching. So that's all about program discovery. But separately to that, it's about participation while the show's on air principally, or you can catch up thanks to our audio recognition system. But I think a piece that's been missing for us has been, what if you love the show, but actually you may not watch it on TV, or maybe you watch it only on video on demand? How does Zeebox fit in there? And what our new release is all about, it's about the show, not so much the television. And so we've introduced feeds, and it's fantastic the way it works. As you use Zeebox, you can follow your favorite shows. And apart from Zeebox then telling you when the shows are on TV, we mine tens of thousands of websites, blogs, media outlets, and so on to get interesting articles, news, salacious gossip, rich media content, the works. And we build a personalized news feed just for you around the shows you're following. And I found it to be fantastic. I'm getting industry news around partner shows, but my wife gets, fabulous stuff on the Kardashians and so on. So Zeebox really morphs. Of course, it keeps doing exactly what it did, but it has this whole new use case that you'll pick it up at any time. You're on the tube, you're walking along, and you go to your home page or your feeds page, and you get this fabulous set of things about the shows that you love. But importantly, it's not just a sort of a flipboard of news. The way we've done it is it ties into the schedule. So you're following, let's say, Benedict Cumberbatch, and there he is on a new show, and because you followed the celebrity, when the show he's in, when a show is in, is next on TV, we show it against that TV show, and you can click on it. You can book a reminder for the show, and then Zeebox can remote control your TV and you're watching the show. So everything is linked back to the shows, but of course you can now play with Zeebox, use it, have fun 24/7, and if you do happen to be in front of the TV, at that point we'll bring you the synchronized experience around it. So it's really interesting to see how, for us, I think it's really more about the show and people who love shows, and then we'll bring you the whole synchronized experience, whether it's live or you're watching video on demand. We've also got some really cool things additionally. We're working with Comcast. We now link to their Xfinity set-top box, and you can play content that you discover in Zeebox on your TV by clicking play in Zeebox. And that's really the future, which is you're using an app, it knows your favorite shows, and you hit play, and it just plays on your TV. And actually, it doesn't matter whether the show's on live, or it's coming over cable, or coming over the internet. Essentially, your TV faithfully plays out the shows that you know and love and are told about. And this video on demand playback is the start of a lot more activity we'll be doing. So I think that's going to be a seriously cool new use for Zeebox as well.